Hi, welcome to SimSumart's online sessions. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to draw a flower in a very simpler technique by analyzing the picture. Let's start with the daisy. See the picture, which shape can you see? I can see two circles, one outer circle and one inner circle. So you should always imagine your picture into a reference shape. So the reference shape for this particular picture is a circle. So I'll be drawing an outer circle and an inner circle in the same manner. And whenever you're drawing these reference shapes, make sure you keep them as light as possible. So when you're drawing, you have to draw them as light as possible because we'll be erasing them at the end. So we don't want any dark line to be seen at the end after erasing. So keep them as light as possible. So once it is drawn, let's draw small lines for our reference petals. The daisy has a lot of petals. So for that, to come properly, all we are doing is drawing some equidistant lines. Small lines. Make sure they're directed properly. Once that is done, take 3 lines at a time to make one petal. Leave out the middle line and with the help of other 2 lines, draw the petal. Once you drew that, make sure you draw another 2 lines in between. That's like the folds of the petal. You can see this petal and can you see those lines in between? Those 2 lines? So those are the ones which you are drawing. So do the similar way. And then complete all of the petals in a similar manner. The same thing again. Take 3 lines leaving out the middle one and draw the petal and then draw 2 lines in between. Do it similarly for rest of the petals. All petals need not be 100% similar. One petal can be little bit more wider compared to the other, but make sure you don't make it too wider or too thinner. Whatever you're doing, one point you have to remember is you have to make sure you keep it as slow as possible and as neat as possible. Initially, when you're learning, don't be in a hurry. Make sure you do it slow and neat. Complete the rest of the petals in a similar manner. I'll just turn around the book and complete the rest of the petals on this side as well. I'm just adding few petals in the background also, if you can see. And then I'll erase the reference circle that we have drawn. This is the reason why I asked you to draw it as light as possible. Then color it, it's totally up to you. And if you can see the center part of the flower, you can see some circles. So you can just add on few circles all around. It's totally up to you. Once you understand the technique, you can stop it there or you can continue and complete the center part of it also. As I told, whatever you do, make sure you keep it as neat as possible. Once this is done, we'll move on to the next one. The same daisy that you can see, but it's in a different angle. Can you see that? Now what is the reference shape that you can see? It's an oval, right? So there's an oval, outer oval and an inner oval. So same thing we are going to draw here. A nice big oval shape. And then in the center, little bit below. If you can see, it's not exactly in the center, it is little bit below. See the distance between the upper petal and the lower petal, right? So it is little bit below. Compare the distance. In the similar manner, you have to draw it. And if you see left and right, it's almost in the center. So this is the place where it should be there. So according to what we have analyzed, we are going to draw the inner oval as well by measuring it roughly. Little bit to the lower side. In the previous flower angulation, the petals that we drew were straight. But this is an angulated flower, so cause of which, if you can see, the right petals are falling towards right side downwards and the left petals are falling towards left and down. The upper ones are straight and the lower ones are straight. Notice that first, and then after drawing these small reference lines, we are going to complete the petals. All we got to do is follow the reference lines, then join the ends. That's it. As I told you, remember this point. The right side petals are curved towards right side and little bit down. And the left side petals are curved little bit towards the left side and downwards. And the upper and lower petals are almost straight. Keeping this in mind, complete the rest of the petals. And as we have done previously, draw the fold lines in between. So this is the left one, so little bit tilted to the left, and this is the right one, little bit tilted to the right. Complete all the petals. As I told you, keep them slow and neat. And whenever you're drawing for the first time, draw it really light so that whenever you make a mistake, it becomes very easy for you to erase. So once that is done, you can erase that outer line, the reference shape. I just left it out, you can do that. So this is another one which I'm showing you in different angulations. Very simple technique. Just all you got to do is imagine the reference shape, draw in the similar manner, and you have to check with the petals shape. Don't do all the petals in the similar manner. Depending upon the angulation of the flower, you have to do the petals. Check out all the daisy flowers, you'll very much easily understand now. It becomes very easy. Do check our Instagram page for our students' work. It's given in the link below. And we do have online interactive classes wherein you can directly contact us for doubts and correction of your mistakes. And we have a complete drawing course from basics to pro level, taught step by step in 40 sessions, and that includes the human figures also. To know more about that, you can connect to us through Instagram. For more such videos, you can subscribe me on this channel. Then I'll see you in the next video. Bye!